Hello WordPress community! Do you want to automate your workflows and save time and concentrate on more important and productive work? Well, here is your no-code solution. Introducing FlowMattic, your best buddy in workflow automation. And this is the dashboard of FlowMattic on WordPress website. And the first thing that I would like to mention is that you've got unlimited everything. Yeah, you heard right. You have no limits in this FlowMattic dashboard, and you can create unlimited number of workflows and you can have unlimited number of tasks opened. So I will just like to get started with adding and creating a new workflow. So I will just click here. And from here, as an application, I will choose email parser, but you can also see that we've got some others as well. So this email parser feature will allow you to extract some important data from incoming emails. So we will need to choose trigger event, which in this case is email received. And I will just also enable this simple response so that it can retrieve the data in just simple format. And let's now go to copy this email and just send a random email. So let's say hey in the subject and say hello there. Let's send it. And now we will need to go back to our dashboard and just click on this capture response. And now here you can see all the data appear right here. So it is the name, it is the email address, it is the subject, the message text, the date, and everything you need to have some important data about your email recipients. What's great about FlowMattic is that you are not limited in terms of apps as well. So when you go to create a new workflow, from here you can see the default apps available, but you are not limited to them. You can go to FlowMattic dashboard, go to custom apps and design your own app with your own triggers and actions. So let's create a new one from here. So let's name this Webhooks test. So a little bit about webhooks. Webhooks push out real-time notifications to other services when certain events happen. So webhooks are useful for situations that are crucial for your awareness or customer communications. So these are very important. So let's now create a custom app with webhooks. So from here, choosing the default authentication. Here you also will need to introduce your app logo for better visuals. So let's just save this for now. Now let's go to triggers. Create new trigger. So I want to create a trigger when a visitor is first seen in app. So I will just write it here, and we will also might need to write some description about this trigger, so be more specific, and also the trigger type here, webhooks with instructions. So we are saving this for now. Afterwards, we are going to actions. So when our customers is first seen in app, what we want to do with that. So we are creating a new action, and from here I want to send a welcome message. So here I'm choosing get. I'm also introducing my API endpoint URL and also the request content type, which is in this case text. So I'm saving this, and now you can use your customized app when adding a new workflow. So let's go to workflows. And from here, you can see your app appear right here. Of course, if you introduce some logo, it will be more appealing, but still, you can just choose this. And here you can see that the trigger is automatically right here when a visitor is first seen in app. And now you can also capture your webhook response. But that's not it. If you go to their integration section, you can see a huge library of integration apps, such as the API email parser that we've already tried out, the webhooks, we've also got ARF forms, we've got this Bitly contact form 7, Elementor DD forms, we've got this Drive, Nifty PM, Ninja forms, and everything you need to make your experience even smoother. That's it about FlowMattic, the plugin that will boost your productivity and automate most of your tasks. And if you've still got any questions concerning this plugin, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye!